Summer is finally here, and it's the perfect time to give our bodies a much-needed detox. With the warmer weather and abundance of fresh produce, there's no better time to reset and rejuvenate our bodies. Here are some summer detox tips to help you achieve a healthier body. First and foremost, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out toxins and keep your body functioning properly. You can also add some lemon or cucumber slices to your water for an extra refreshing twist. Next, focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods. Fill your plate with plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of salt. Incorporate more physical activity into your daily routine. Whether it's going for a walk, taking a yoga class, or hitting the gym, staying active will not only help you detoxify your body but also boost your mood and energy levels. Consider adding some detoxifying foods and drinks to your diet, such as green tea, dandelion greens, and cilantro. These foods can help support your body's natural detoxification processes and promote overall health. Don't forget to get an adequate amount of sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for detoxification and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to allow your body to repair and recharge. Lastly, practice mindfulness and stress management techniques. Stress can take a toll on your body and hinder the detoxification process. Try meditation, deep breathing exercises, or journaling to help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. By incorporating these summer detox tips into your routine, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant summer. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.